Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video we are going to see the way to convert currencies in Google Sheets. Let's suppose we want to get the conversion rate for US dollar to euro. In Google Sheets it can be done with the Google Finance function. Write is equals to Google Finance. Under quotations write currency colon. So here we need the conversion rate from US dollar to euro. That's why we are using the currency codes for US dollar and euro. You can find the currency codes for any country online. I put the link in description if you wanna check. Similarly, to get the conversion rate from dollar to rupees, write is equals to Google Finance. The quotations write currency colon USD-INR. So these are the conversion rates from dollar to euro and rupees at the time of making this video. The thing to keep in mind is that these values are not perfectly real time. There can be 20-minute delay, so be careful if you are doing trading and all. But otherwise these values can be used for converting currencies for all purposes. So this will only give the conversion rate. If you want to convert your currency to another currency, you have to multiply this column by the conversion rate. To do this, come to the formula, multiply this cell by the formula, copy paste the formula by dragging it. Do the same thing with Indian rupees, multiply this cell by the formula, copy paste the formula, and it will give you the respective converted currencies. Now you can also get the historical data for exchange rates. Let's see how to do that. Write is equals to Google Finance. Under quotations write currency colon USD-EUR comma. Under quotations give the attribute price comma today minus 10 today comma. The last argument will be daily. So if you have followed our previous videos on the Google Finance function, you would know the last parameter can only have two values. It can be either daily or weekly. Here we are using daily. So this function will return the daily exchange rates for this conversion for last 10 days. So that's all for today guys. This was a short and quick tutorial on how you can convert your currencies in Google Sheet. I hope you liked the video and learned something from this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching.